Hi Ankit, I know the final day of 31st July has come by. Uh, Sad to see you go. Frankly, I think the kind of talent that you have in yourself, the kind of energy, the kind of new thinking that you brought to help really get marketing off the ground along with John Bright is commendable. Uh, we understand this is a good decision, a kind of a moment of beckoning for you and your family as a part of joining their business. And I'm sure wherever you are, wherever you go, you will bring in that newness, you will bring in your own innovative thinking, your own way of doing things a bit better than how they were done earlier. So God bless you, God bless your family, do very well in life. And needless to say, for anything and everything that you need and you feel that I can be of help to you, I'm just a call away. Enjoy your new phase, enjoy your new work environment as you step in this challenging times. But I think the business that you and your family are in is going to be pretty solid. So once again, whilst a bit disheartening, I would say, for all of us to see you go, but we know that things move on and they have to get better. So wish you the very best. God bless you and family. Bye.
Ankit has been an excellent and a very, very enthusiastic, self-motivated person, and it was really pleasant and wonderful working with him. He puts a lot of passion, a lot of innovation, a lot of commitment in whatever task he has been assigned, and he really completes it to everybody's satisfaction. We definitely are going to miss him, and while he has a lot of talent, capabilities on his work front, he also has quite a lot of interpersonal skills which was demonstrated during his tenure, and we really benefited with it. So on that count also, ISL will miss him. I personally will definitely miss him. I wish him a lot of success and prosperity in whatever he is going to do. Thank you very much.
Ankit, you have a magnetic smile and you will be always remembered for this and your warmth of companionship. It's been good to work with you. You have established a strong bond of friendship with one and all. Surely our good wishes will always be with you for resounding success in your career. May this acquaintance last forever.
Hi. Hope you're all taking care of yourself and your loved ones during this dirty pandemic. Today, one of our dearest colleagues, Ankit, is parting ways. He joined us in 2017 as a marketing manager and then transformed himself a full-fledged, matured digital marketing manager today. I would proudly say that I know him much more than anybody else in the system. He is a calm, quiet, always willing to help, approachable, open, and of course his trademark, his smiling face. He takes inputs from the people around him, as well as he provides inputs to his team members and to the peer system. To be very honest, I thoroughly enjoyed working with him. It was fun working with him, especially during the new website revamp project company name change project, and various other projects which were critical for the organization. He's a helpful and supportive person. I am really fortunate to have him in my team, but at the same time I'm also sad to let him go. But I believe his decisions to move to be respected, and I wish him all the best in all his future assignments. He's a good friend, a team member, a perfect professional. Ankit, we will miss you. Good luck and thank you for all the contributions. Keep in touch. Take care.
Hi Ankit, I have spent almost a month with you. It was a pleasure working with you, and of course, I have learned a lot from you during your time here. Your contribution to this organizations have been immense and tremendous. We are really proud to have an employee like you as a part of our team. Thank you for your time and dedications. Best wishes, and hope you keep doing your good work in your next job as well. Take care. Goodbye, my friend.
A very enterprising young friend of mine. He was excellent in the office, very good of mine, a good friend of mine. He was doing an excellent job for the marketing team, very helpful and useful to everybody, easily approachable, a very, very intelligent person. Very sad to hear that he is moving away from ISL, as everybody goes away to do better in life. I wish Ankit the very best in his new venture. Thank you. Bye bye. Wish you all the best, Ankit.
Hi Ankit, this is a short farewell message for you. A farewell message for a beloved colleague, a friend, assistant manager for Ankit Sen. This message will not be completed without mentioning about your teaching on my initial days. You guided me when I started. A big thank you from my heart. It was something to learn whenever we spoke, and something to cherish always from the learning. So we will miss your name, Ankit, in the morning call, and we'll miss more learning that we could gather if you continued. But your wish is to move to greener pasture. I wish you all the success and happiness in the new endeavor and new page of your career and life. Good luck, leader. I'll be in touch with you. I'll be talking to you in call, WhatsApp. Yeah.
Hi, this is Praveen from Corporate Marketing. I want to make it quick. So I would like to say 3 good things about Ankit that I have noticed. First thing is, he never hesitates to ask if he don't know something. Instantly he would ask how you doing? Is there any better way to do like that? Most of us refrain to do that, right? But he never stopped learning. And the second thing is, he's not only a good learner but also a good teacher. I am a kind of person who always shoot questions. I would have easily get irritated when somebody shoot questions to me, like the way I ask questions to Ankit. For instance, to put it in a simple way, if I ask him what is 2 plus 2, he would ask me in return what is 2 plus 1 plus 1. this is how you learn things, right? If you get something easily, you forget it. Unless you put your effort on it, you won't remember. You'd ask like, do you think this sentence is right? The tone of this question was not at all rude. That's his way of making me realize my own mistakes. And the last one is, he's a good listener. I'll talk to him for like 10 to 15 minutes on something which he already know. He won't interrupt and say like, yeah, I know this, I know that and all. What he would do is, he'll simply listen. After I conveyed everything, he would say like, you are right and I already did this. I think that's why people like to talk to him. He listens to us. When he conveys his point, he never disappoints by completely denying our thoughts. That's what I wanted to say about Ankit, that I have noticed and really admired. I'm gonna miss him badly. I wish him the best of luck in all the future endeavors. Thank you.
Hey Ankit, it was a pleasure working with you, and you were the first person I met in Inspirisis. Thank you for helping me settling in the team, and thank you for helping me out in the early days since I was here. And really, it's been a pleasure working with you. I learned a lot from you. You are truly an inspiration. And the team will definitely miss you, and I will definitely miss the snacks time with you. And I wish you good luck. Keep in touch. Take care.